Here is an uncomfortable truth. 1 in 3 adults today has fatty liver and most have no idea. Why? Because routine liver tests like ALT and AST show up late, often after substantial fat accumulation and even early fibrosis. That means many people are told they are fine until the problem is advanced and options are limited. There is a better way to catch it early, long before symptoms and before irreversible harm. That's why I'm gifting you a free clinician-ready toolkit called How to Know If You Have Fatty Liver Quick Checklist. I created this for my mentees. Here is exactly what's inside the checklist. Number 1, a precise risk triage so you instantly know if deeper testing is needed. Number 2, the full lab panel I request for every fat liver case: AST, ALT, GGT, ALP, bilirubin, albumin, fasting triglyceride, fasting glucose, fasting insulin, calculation of HOMA-IR, A1C, basic metabolic panel, and CBC. Number 3, a clear HOMA-IR formula, unit conversions, and an interpretation so you can understand if you are insulin resistant, and that's one of the strongest predictors of progression. Number 4, FIB cutoff and stepwise guidance: when you are safe, when you are intermediate, and when to escalate to imaging like fibroscan. Number 5, home markers that outperform BMI for metabolic liver stress: waist to height ratio, waist cutoff, you can measure at home. Number 6, a 30-day starter plan that reduces liver fat rapidly. Remove liquid sugar, use protein first meals, movement tracking, and targeted sleep protocols. Number 7, a monitoring cadence, which labs to repeat at 4 week, 12 week, at 6 months, 12 months, so you measure progress, not guess. Number 8, red flags that require urgent evaluation and a clinic prep. One pager with the exact question to ask your doctor. So your appointment is meaningful, not dismissive. Bring the one page clinic prep to your next appointment, and your clinician will instantly know you're informed and serious, and you will receive far better, faster care than a vague lose weight instruction. Download the checklist now from my free resources page, link in the description. If you want a personalized roadmap, apply for the Fat Liver Health Audit will turn your labs into a targeted 12-week exposome realignment plan. Fatty liver is reversible, but only if you act early. Download the checklist today and take the single most powerful step to protect your liver. If you are on glucose lowering drugs or have known kidney disease, coordinate testing and treatment with your clinician.